In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up my Mailerlite landing page. We'll walk through the full process from creating a brand new page to publishing it and getting a shareable link you can start using right away. Feel free to pause and follow along inside your own Mailerlite account as we go. First, from your Mailerlite dashboard, head over to the Sites section. This is where all your landing pages and websites live. Click on the button to create a new site. You'll be asked to give your page a name. Choose something that clearly describes what the page is for, because it will help you stay organized later. Once you've typed in the name, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll choose the subscriber group where new signups from this landing page will be added. Groups are how Mailerlite organizes your audience, so pick an existing group that fits your offer, or create a new one if this is a fresh campaign. When you're happy with your choice, click Save and Continue again. Now it's time to pick how you want to build the page. Mailerlite gives you the choice between starting with a template or using a blank canvas. If you're on the free plan, you'll typically start from scratch. Paid plans unlock more templates and AI assistance. Either way, choose the option that matches your comfort level. Templates are great for speed. A blank canvas is perfect if you want full creative control. Once inside the editor, you'll see a sidebar with elements you can drag onto the page. These include headings, text blocks, images, buttons, and of course, forms. You can also use pre-built sections like hero banners or call to action sections to quickly set up a professional layout. Just drag a section into place, then customize it. Click on any block to edit the text, adjust colors, change fonts, or swap out backgrounds. Keep your design simple and focused on one main action you want visitors to take. Now add and configure your sign-up form. Drag a form block onto the page, then edit the fields such as name and email. You can mark fields as required and, if needed, add GDPR or consent checkboxes. Then set up the success page. Decide what people will see after they subscribe. You can display a thank you message or redirect them to another page, like a download link for a lead magnet. Before publishing, open the page settings. Here, you can set your SEO title and description so your page looks good in search results and when shared. You can also add a favicon and connect tools like Google Analytics or a metapixel to track performance. When everything looks good, click Publish. Mailerlite will generate a shareable URL for your new landing page. Copy that link and you're ready to start sending people to your page.